Alright, so check this out. Cathie Wood filed with the SEC for the launch of the ARK Venture Fund. The ARK Venture Fund will basically invest in companies that are not public. It is also supposed to be a closed-end fund. And here's what you need to know about it. The intent of this fund is to basically attract investors who are in it for the long haul. Due to which it is a closed-end fund, because of that it is going to be relatively illiquid. For example, investors will not be able to publicly trade their securities. Additionally, investors will not be able to get out of this whenever they want. ARK Invest will basically repurchase a particular amount of shares on a particular frequency. So for example, 5% of shares every quarter. So if the fund, for example, is not performing well, you will not be able to get out of your position. Assuming, of course, the amount that you want to exit out exceeds the repurchase allocation. This is going to be extremely challenging, largely due to the fact that a lot of these investments will not have any publicly available financial detail. These are private companies after all. Now, it's no secret that ARK-K, which is ARK Invest flagship fund, has had a pretty lousy performance in the last year. And there are lots and lots of redemptions that are basically occurring within these funds. With ARK Venture, you will be unable to get out of these investments, or at least get out whenever you want. And it goes without saying that presumably there is going to be a very high expense ratio associated with this fund as well. This is of course all under the guise of investing in innovation, which is of course a long-term investment proposition. What are your thoughts? Include it in the comments, and this is not financial advice.